Today I'll show you how to turn simple coconut leaves into a useful handmade jhaadu, perfect for home use and completely natural. For this craft we need dry coconut tree leaves, a knife or cutter, strong thread or rope, a stick or wooden handle, scissors. First, remove the hard central stem from the coconut leaf. Now carefully separate the thin sticks from the leaf. These thin sticks will form our broom. Make sure all sticks are clean and dry. If they are wet, dry them in sunlight for a few hours. Now gather around 40 to 50 sticks together. Align them evenly at one end so the broom will sweep properly. The more sticks you add, the stronger your broom will be. Now tightly tie the top part using strong thread or rope. Wrap it at least 4 to 5 times and knot it properly. Trim the bottom ends evenly using scissors. Now your eco-friendly coconut leaf broom is ready. This simple art and craft project is useful, eco-friendly, and cost-effective. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas.